Now, both in the closing and opening, you should be using demonstratives to counteract what the other side's doing, trying to make your side look bad. Show the best face, the best honest face, because the worst things to do is to make promises or show things that turn out not to be true, because I will guarantee you in closing what was ever said in opening is going to come back to haunt you if it's not proven, or worse, turns out to be untrue. If you want to set the theme around what you did right, because they're going to try to set the theme of what you did wrong. They're going to try to set a theme of all the bad acts. So you want to counter it. You don't want to fight in their ballpark. You want to fight in yours. Reverse everything that they're trying to say negative, so you're coming out positive. So what you're getting is an end result where perhaps the jury is looking at your side as good people, a company that you can trust, and not the reptile they're trying to create. And so all these things go together, but it's a theme that starts day one in the case all the way through, and it takes time and thinking to do that. With that, I want to thank you very much.
Thank you, Greg. We do have a question for you. Have you seen the reptile theory used by a defense attorney for a cross-complaint or an affirmative defense?
Absolutely. We're now seeing in every case of any magnitude, in environmental cases, employment cases, construction cases, attacking the individuals in the company, trying to make them look bad. One of the lawyers we're dealing with, the best line was to our chief appraiser expert. I hear many good things about you. I hope you're not going to lie and commit perjury today, to try to put him on his heels. Now, we knew this approach was coming, and therefore our expert was ready. We did learn that almost every single witness, both expert, client witness, third-party witness, somehow the other sides are now trying to get in something that would undercut them or use them to undercut the client. So it's part of the preparation now to get them ready to deal with it. And keep in mind, when you're prepping third-party witnesses, there's no attorney-client privilege. They can ask what they said, and you have to be very careful that what comes out is, I was told to tell the truth, I was told to listen, and answer the question. And that way you're going to limit the attack in terms of trying to turn individuals into reptiles, which will then in closing be used against the company.